sensible. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Reggie, good morning. How are you? Troy, haven't seen you in a long time. How you doing? And if I pronounce your name wrong, I apologize. Good morning. Hello, Sarif. Let me know how to pronounce that so I don't keep butchering it. How's everyone doing this morning? Let's look at the markets overnight. Looks like kind of bleh. Yes, 59.38 for a low, 59.57 for a high. It's about 19 points. Egg cure. Yeah, the way it hits those trigger points almost perfectly. 8.43 for a low, 7.53 for, I would say 7.53 for a low, 8.43 for a high. So that's about 90 points in range. Hey, passing props. Okay. Man, this one's gonna be tough. Is it duh? No, it's duh. How you doing, D? Let's see, Kappa. About tight range on copper. I'm only about 60 ticks. Ultra bonded falling. It's just under a point in range. No, don't call mom. She'll call my mom and then I'll be in trouble. 24 points in range on gold. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, on crude. That's 70 ticks in range. Natural gas, kind of chafe. I think it looks kind of chafe. And BTC sitting just under 94,000. Just continuing to try and make all-time highs. So that's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. So what do you want, guys? Do you want to see more of the futures desk um, software and platform this morning, or do you want to see me trade something else? Check news this morning. Start spreading the news. Oh, sorry. Wow, nothing this morning. There's a Fed speaker testifying, and there's crude oil inventories. That's it. Anyone taking any trades yet this morning? As I'm watching NQ kind of pop up here, let's go to our bigger view. in the year 2512. Sorry. All right. You have a target in mind, D? All right. We'll watch that. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm handling something. Pulls back. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Got the 30 pulling back. Let's see if we continue up higher. Yeah. Wow. Quick pull back there. Down about 10. Popping back up. Hey, Apple. Absolutely, Apple. That's a good idea. Good morning, Robin. How are you doing? Always best to start slow. I'm doing pretty good. Should the market pull back? Huh. I know Matt got his, but I'm not sure if I haven't heard Greg or Chef say he got his yet. So I'll have to ask if anybody, oh. uh, no, and in seriousness, because I know USC got hers too. They're both East Coast, so I wonder if that has anything to do with it. I miss having him here too. He was a big part of the development of MightyOxTrading. Although Chef is East Coast, if you count Florida as East Coast. Maybe he just didn't tell us. Pulls back. Ah, see it on eBay for like $1,000. Sorry to hear that, D. You'll get the next one. Back down to the Bollinger. Pop in there. Do I want to try and take that blue candle? It's a thought. Yep, back up to the EMAs and back down. case you guys didn't see it, we are giving away 3 100K direct to funded accounts from TickTick One is Discord only. Got to enter on the Discord, but the other enter through Gleam. I'll put the link here in the chat. You can see it's there. You'll go to there and do however many or how many little of these little tasks that you want to earn an entry. Here is that link. Hey, William, how you doing? Wow, there's a nice pop. Popping up. Blue candle. If it holds, I'll take this one. I haven't decided whether I'm taking it yet. Let's just bring up the futures desk again today, I guess. One more day on the futures desk. If I can find it. Yeah, there it is. Looking. My brain isn't working this morning. That's what I want. And there's our futures desk. Hey, Moxie, teasing you, props. How you doing, Moxie? Yeah, it was a blue candle there, but more wick than body. That's what everyone that went to bed with constipation said as well. Yeah, we did not have much range overnight, and there's absolutely no news catalyst today. So today could be our choppy day. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, props, but I may have just lost half the audience. I don't know. Score that like button for me, guys. Score it. So if you haven't been here Monday and Tuesday, this is the futures desk that you're looking at, which should be launching imminently. And you know, Project X, a lot of you are aware of that, but everything else is proprietary to them. You can see my stats from the rest of this week. All this information. Once again, I'll show it off today. My trade history, all the way you can tag it with your setups. It's just an amazing amount of information. As soon as I get into a trade, you'll see what I can do while I'm in the trade, how I can journal while in the trade. But first, it needs to give us something to actually enter, a reason to actually enter a trade. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you? How's trading been, Speed Racer? You've been kind of quiet. I have no doubt about that. Pulls back. That's a pretty decent sized candle there. Hey, A-list party music. Good morning, and yeah, thank you for that reminder. Does anybody here want an invite to the futures desk when it launches? Invite means you're right now. It'll mean you're happy with using Project X, and that again, an invite doesn't mean free. Invite means you're able to pay for an assessment. Okay, Moxie and Props, you need to send me your um, email address somehow. If I'm on Discord, if you're on Discord, send me it there because I gotta enter in the email address just to have the system email you an invite. And I'm only gonna have 30 to start, so if a whole bunch of people want, some people might not get in the first round. Gold reversal. I'm bored, so let me go check out the gold reversal. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm in trading state for the sound effects. Uh, Speed Racer, I'm not sure if you ever got your Discord issues figured out. If you want, you can email me. Good morning, Matt. How are you? Those of you who don't know Matt, Matt is a trading coach and educator and the only one I recommend. He has just started the 90-day trader boot camp. I actually have that up somewhere among my 120 tabs on Chrome. There it is. Voila! So let me give me a second here just to make sure the market's not like doing something I like. I missed that purple. Anyway, so Trader Bootcamp, Matt, Teresius Trading. Over the next 90 days, you'll have 3 one-on-one sessions with Matt focused on building a trading business, methodology, psychology, and playbooks, as well as full access to the community and over 6 hours worth of courses to get you started. That 3 101 sessions is an $891 value. The Day Trading with Renko Charts course featuring 3 of his favorite trading setups is a $697 value. The 25 Rules of Day Trading, $197 value. And 3 months in the Day Traders Guild trading community, $177 value. There's only 7 of these available. You can see the price there, $397, but that price is full price. If you use my code, MOT, you get a discount. I think it's 20%. I can't remember now. But so there you go. If you're a struggling trader instead of and constantly blowing evals or getting to the funded account and then blowing the funded and never getting a payout, maybe instead of putting more money in evals right now, maybe getting into something that might help your overall trading might be the way to go for you. So just a thought. I'll be getting some more promotional materials up about this in the near future whenever I clone myself to get everything done. Those of you don't, like I said, those of you who don't know Matt, this is Matt, trading educator. Been an educator for over 8 years, over 2,500 clients. He's worked with other companies. Yeah, he's worked with companies, TradeStation. He's an all-star. Hey now, you're an all-star. Oh, sorry. And he's a great guy to work with. I enjoy talking with Matt. Great sense of humor. As the market continues to dump now, down the China hold 20800. I haven't taken a trade yet. I gotta do something to entertain the masses. Sitting right on that 200 EMA, popping up a tad and back down. I don't like this price action. I don't like it, Sam. I am. Whoa, props come in hard and heavy. He's usually so docile. Morning, John. It did pop up a little bit. I did get a blue candle. This was a blue. I should have taken it for 5. Flat, good morning. Let me switch over to my trading view screen. And then let me make it bigger. So my blue candle, you can see right here, would have been a trigger for me to go long. It's an engulfing candle, just like this purple candle would have been a trigger for me to go short. I can use them with the trend or as a reversal signal. In this case, it would have, if I entered there 807 up to 814, so it could have got it when it got, would have went for about 5 or 6 points, and the purple would have been even better. It depends on the time of day and the movement and the ATR. So right now, 5 points probably been what I would have went for, yeah. And again, I did take this purple candle, so I'm here yapping. But it depends. After the bell, I'm usually looking for at least 10. But I'll look at the amount of the candle because my stop is at the end of the trigger candle. So let's say I'd taken this purple. So my stop would have been at the top of it, so about a 4.5 point stop. And I was looking for more than one R. So I probably would have just let this candle roll and then decided once this candle closed, which would have been almost a 2-to-1 there as it's continuing to fall. Wow, look at it fall. Sort of low a day? I don't remember. I gotta look. Oh, we're way off of it. 53. 753. Yeah, right now we're looking at an ATR of just 5.5. So yeah, I would have went for like 5 points. Although, like there, I probably would just let that candle run and see where it ended up. Yeah. For those of you who want an invite to the futures desk, yeah, send me your email either by Discord or send me your email to my email, MightyOxTrading@gmail.com if you don't use Discord. Again, if you prefer to wait until Rhythmic launches, because right now it's only going to launch with Project X, I will have more invites then. So I definitely prefer that the invites go to people that are okay with using Project X to start. There's no definitive date, Speed Racer, but it's been quoted as 2 to 3 weeks. But Josh, that's a rough estimate. Josh doesn't want to do the whole overpromise, underdeliver thing. So, but that's the hopeful time frame of it. Okay, good. Excellent. Excellent. Coming back up. We are about 15 minutes to the top of the hour, 45 minutes till the bell. No trades yet. I missed a couple of good ones, I admit it. Right here, this is a purple candle. You can't see it's a purple candle. And right here. Hi. Hi, C7398. Wait, you're not a robot, are you? No. Okay, so the actual, this right here is Project X. Um, that's integrated elsewhere with other props as well. If you know Topstep X, same thing. But everything else is proprietary to the futures desk, which is a prop firm that's going to be launching here pretty soon. Um, and it is absolutely, it's amazing the stuff that's integrated here. You have an integrated journal, put in daily goals. You can see all your stats. A planner, you can configure setups, and then mark your trades with setups. As soon as I take a trade, you'll be able to see that. Um, Amazing stats built right in. You can break down your stats by your setup. So like there, you can see just that setup, what I've done with it. You can break it down by time, trade history, wins and losses. Basically a full statistical journal plus a regular journal. And the other thing that I really think is impressive, and I'll just demonstrate it here, you could take a screenshot and paste it into your journal. Missed entry because I wait, missed entry. Not sure why it's doing that. Because there we go. I was distracted. And then paste. And there it is. The images that I missed, the purple candle that I missed, is in there and now part of my daily journal. As the market continues to fall, uh, that sounds like me. Props. I decided to enter a trade based. I throw a dart at the screen, and that's where I decide where I'm going to enter, and then I put my profit target $10 above whatever a new monitor will cost. Okay, so Speed Racer and A List, I got your emails, and I'm going to erase both your messages so the entire world doesn't get your emails. What did I say? I'm not even sure. What energy was that? Was it bad? I don't even remember what I said 2 minutes ago. Might be that Alzheimer's. Caffeine starting to kick in. Anyone taking any trades? If so, how'd you do? Besides D, I know D. D needs to get back to green. Or popping back up, popping, stopping, popping like a rabbit. So much going on at MightyOxTrading, trying to totally redesign some stuff, trying to get some different things going. Got a couple more interviews coming up. Working on building out the 12 Days of Christmas event. It's a rare loss on the YM bot, isn't it, John? That's excellent trading right there. That's a wonderful win rate. JC, good morning. How are you? Blue candle possible here. It's struggling with that 9 EMA. That 9 EMA is a wall. The wall. It's come tumbling down near the wall. Sorry I missed it. Yeah, that would be correct, John. Rhythmic is problematic on paper trading. But that said, yesterday Tradovate had an outage too, so he has bots though, JC, he has algos specifically built for NT. Yesterday, a shocking event took place. For the first time in over 2 years, one up trader, one of the originals in the prop firm space, announced a sale. They never do sales. Never. Last one I saw was Black Friday 2 years ago, and that was only 20%. This is 35% off, but limited to this one per person. One up. I could post the link. They're old style prop firm. They have no sim. Yeah, one up. They have no sim, live sim for their funding. You pass the eval, you immediately go into a live account. Yeah, one of the OGs. Been around like 9 years. I can't. I don't remember if it went top step earn to trade one up or top step one up earn to trade. Ooh, shing. So we just continue to fall. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. One of those days again, I should have just hit the short button and just went back to bed. Of course, then you'll all be wondering why you're hearing me snore on stream. But yeah, I know you prefer longs, John, but the last couple days, At least in the early morning, shorts have been the way. D, I have 5 funded topstep accounts and 1 funded Apex account right now. I do trade them, but right now, I'm trying to actually, well, right now I'm just showcasing the futures desk here because they're about to launch, and I consider their CEO a friend, so and I want to see them succeed. So this week I've been showcasing the futures desk, but at other times I want to try and accumulate a bunch of funded accounts. So my goal is to get 3 MyFundedFutures funded, and then a couple others funded, and then really start working on the funded accounts in 2025. I TopStep doesn't usually run sales. I mean, they did when they first launched the TopStep X platform, but TopStep doesn't usually do sales. Yeah, I mean, maybe they'll surprise us, but I don't think you're going to see anything much cheaper. I mean, Patak said a few months back that he felt like they had enough traders now. Oh, did he say that? That he was at a CME event last night? Or where did you hear that? Uh, I really doubt you're going to see that, D. So we're about 22 minutes till the bell. Yeah, I saw that, JC. That was amazing. Imagine making in just a few hours more than what a majority of people make in a full year. Yeah, I mean, every little pullback, I would have been like sweating bullets if that was me. Should I get out here? Should I get out here? Should I get out here? Just kind of sitting on the 9 EMA here and undecided which way it wants to go. Doesn't know what it wants to do with its life. I understand that. Morning, USC. How you doing? I'm doing good. Robin, are you still here? Still falling. Oh, there we go. I did not realize I could look at tracking on those orders. Looks like your ornament will be arriving today. It arrived at your post office yesterday. How you doing, Ace? Doing good, Ace. Thank you. It's the official MightyOxTrading Christmas ornament. It's a choppy day, so that might be a pretty good idea. Flat. Uh, I started one. I started Lord of the Rings once, but didn't get far into it. Never read anything from George R. R. Martin. Why's that? Why are you asking? I was wondering. This is what the ornament looks like without its hangy thingy. Blue candle pop. Thanks for the plug, Ace. Hey, look, I just took a trade. You can see the trade shows up immediately here. I can select the setup, which is the golfing candle off a Bollinger Band reversal trade. See if we can get through the 9 and up to the 20. 20 is sitting at 778, so yes, I'm only trading 2 micros because I only have $400 in. Well, I could just make a new account, so I could actually trade bigger, but whatever. See, keeping track of it over here. Can't get through that 9. Oh, down, and just realized I don't have a stop on this. I don't have one, but it's going to be here. Now I have a stop, which is going to hit because it's never going to go upwards again. Reminder, folks, this Friday, RJ Wheel and I, he hasn't arrived yet today, but RJ and I will be doing a London session. 2:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. 9 hours. Yep, stopped out there. Now I can take a screenshot of that trade. I can go in here and just paste that screenshot in. Stopped out. And there we go. Oh wow, how much did you get? Just like a dusting, or it's supposed to get pretty chilly here tonight. All blustery and stuff. Oh, whoosh! Yeah, we have a 30% chance of snow here tonight. Wind chills could go down into the teens. We get Sunday a high of 56. Yep, nice call to 750. Got down to 749. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know if that's a euphemism for something, Ace, or beautiful, John. Beautiful. Look at this. Just go. Whoops. How you doing, Rad? Ultra Bond spiked? Doing good? Feels like it wants, maybe it has found the bottom here. But I'm probably just going to stay flat now until after the bell. I mean, I don't know why. This is a total sim account. This isn't even an evaluation. So, I mean, I could just be taking any random trade, but I'm trying to trade it as if I would, trading an account that had some matter to it. Nice little move back up. Yeah, exactly. If anyone has any questions about Project X, I mean, I'm sorry, about the futures desk or Project X, but more the futures desk and anything you're seeing here and all that, feel free to ask. Pretty sure tomorrow we'll go back to a Fideas evaluation. No, I don't think there's any way to integrate Jigsaw with Project X. Project X does have its own dome. Project X is just the platform, the actual platform you see, with the chart here. It's something like just like NinjaTrader or Tradovate, where you execute your trades. Oh, the NVIDIA earnings after the bell today. RJ's late. There is a consistency. There's a consistency in both the eval and the funded. Cap on withdrawals, I would need to look. The consistency is 30%, I think, but I'm looking real quick. Yeah, 30%, both the eval and the funded. Oh, there we go. RJ's here. He doesn't have to take the fine for being late. How you doing, RJ? Uh, that Mr. P, I'll have to look up the thing about the withdrawal cap. If you're gonna, I'm not sure how long you're gonna hang around, Mr. P, but we'll probably do that after the bell, after things settle a bit. Oh, big drop. Hey, Burl, or Burrell, how you doing? Popping back up here, maybe. How's trading going, John? Burrell. I always forget I have multiple Johns in here. That didn't sound right at all. Falling. Still falling. Timber. Ace is short. Not that we judge. Height doesn't matter. Have we found the bottom now? Got down to 699 half. Apparently the answer is no. Don't drop the baby, Ace. Still falling. Don't be calling 911 just because the market's dropping there, RJ. Abina, welcome. How you doing? Nice to see you. That's a good idea. When you're having issues, definitely take a step back. Still falling. Will it ever stop? Still falling. Settling around 642 here. Let's see. Nope, still dropping. We got a blue candle. I'll have a blue candle for certain. We're long. Trying to catch the falling knife, as they say. Setup is the reversal setup. I don't think we'll get all the way back, but if this is the full reversal, we can put a target up here on the 200 EMA, and yeah, if that does that, I'll be amazed. But hey, yep, yep, we're gonna stop us out, maybe. Still just kind of sitting here, 646. See if it pops up worse. Back up to the 9. Can it get through? Hey, Crypticon, how's it going? Glad to hear that. Come on, break through that 9 for us. It did. Oh, the blue candle, so I'm moving my stop up below that one. $393 or $293? Huh? Okay. I'm not looking at a YM chart. I just noticed you were talking about 295 and all that. So, look at this. It's going to come back down to my entry. Gotta get back above the 9 after dipping back below it. We're just kind of sitting here watching. Where does this trade want to go? I don't know where it's going. Oh, back down to my entry. Can't get back above the 9. And we're going to take the stop. Ooh, keeps playing with my stop. It hasn't hit it yet. There we go. Stopped out. So I got greedy there. I could have had a decent win, but just trying to get above the 9 again. So it came down, was nice enough to stop me out, and then went back up. They have AI for that now, Ace. Um, Ukraine fires UK Storm Shadow missiles into Russia. I believe that's what's caused it. This is a beta. Uh, I have permission to show it to. It's a total sim account. It's not even an evaluation. It's not a funded account or anything. It's just 100% paper trading. Have you seen it at all, IMAD? Have you seen any of the features? By the way, I've been doing this all week. This is the third day that I've been showcasing the futures desk. So you're just like late to the party. Wow, the next achy breaky heart. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. Uh, I mean, the Project X is the platform. It's going to work with Rhythmic too, but the extra, I mean, the features are amazing. Like I know, like you can chart while trading right next to it. Like this trade here I did, and I can write should have gotten out with small profit and top it off. I can add a screenshot so I know what the trade looked like and why I felt that way. Yeah, journal while trading. Sorry. Thank you, son. And you can see all the different reports you can see. You can tag your setups and then you can look at your stats by each different setup. And it's just kind of proving I need to stop these reversal trades. Goodness God. But anyway, your trade history by setup or just overall, wins and losses, trade duration. That still looks like it's giving us the finger. The planner. Let's see your profit factor, your daily trading stats. This is your daily journal. You can also use screenshots in. This is where you can configure your setups. You can enter your setup name, put a nice little icon with it. That way you can mark your trades easy. And of course, up here you have all your economic events. Crude oil inventory in 33 minutes, guys. You can see where you are in your assessment. Journals there too. Set your daily goals. See your trades for the day or whatever day you want to look at. And then you can quickly just toggle back and forth to the chart. So that was kind of a slow loading, but okay. I know you're kidding. Actually, I told Josh, the guy to program most of this, or him and him and another guy. I said the biggest when he on Monday. I said the biggest compliment you got when we were showcasing it was when Ace Trade says I usually find stuff to pick apart, but I can't find anything. I said that's probably the biggest compliment that was given all day. Still falling. Honestly, I hate journaling. I've never journaled because it's just tedious to me. But having this right there would probably mean I would journal. Again, I do not advise calling 911 because of the market crash. Top of the hour. Nice spot. Yeah, I never used a jigsaw with my trading. Every time I've tried, it ended up slicing up a monitor or long. Dude, Ace, why do you even ask? You can't figure out Discord. You're not going to be able to figure that out. Sorry. I'm just kidding. Ah, again, no follow through. It did go up 12 points. Why are you mad, Hassan? Now we call 911. Then I think they were in the wrong way. I got stopped out. 7 Up, unfortunately, I have banned 98 fake oxen since the start of I started the MightyOxTrading Discord server about 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago. It sucks, and Discord won't do anything about it. Just remember, I will never, ever, ever, ever DM somebody first without asking. The fake oxen, there's some are bots. They're trying to get people to fall for like cryptocurrency scams or trading course scams and things like that. And the sad part is, it must work because they wouldn't keep putting the effort into it if there was no return on it. I mean, I think it's hilarious in a sad way. I created an alt 2 weeks ago, and my Discord got suspended for a day, and I keep getting friend requests from the Mighty Ox on my alt. My alt is Ferocious Bison. Dropping still. So yesterday's low was all the way down at 382. So we're still like 200 points away from that. That last hourly candle was 179 points. Did you enter the Tick Tick Trader giveaways, Hassan? Those of you that didn't see it, we're giving away 3 100K direct to funded Tick Tick Trader accounts. One is Discord exclusive, and the other 2 are with Gleam. I will post up the Gleam link now. Well, I mean, if I pulled your name, I know you won't use it, Ace, but you could then choose to give it to whomever you wanted to give it to. Burrell, do you still only go long with your bot? What's everyone's plans for next week? Is everybody going to be here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, or not? It's going to be weird having a 4.5 day weekend. No streaming on Thanksgiving or Black Friday. Well, so am I, RJ. And I was looking at December. I remember last year saying I probably should just take off between Christmas and New Year's because the trading was horrible. We might make the 20th the last stream of the year and then come back on the 2nd of January. The market is open till noon on Black Friday, I believe. I believe it's actually open till noon on Thanksgiving, too. But I'll be watching the Macy's parade. It's never going to turn around. We're going to zero. I'm also working on getting a 12 Days of Christmas event going for MightyOxTrading. Working with my prop firm partners to get some prizes. Nice, USC. No, apparently this dip started when news came out that Ukraine fired UK Storm Shadow missiles into Russia. That news came out about 20 after 8 or 20 after 9 Eastern, and that's when the drop started. Actually, yeah, 20. Well, maybe not. I mean, it's when it really started going faster. So I think that's what most of this is from. The market they could be trying to push the market down, expecting Nvidia to prop it back up after the bell today. Nvidia, whatever. Much as I talk about them, they should send me a free graphics card for my new computer. Mm, Financial Juice does it. I didn't look for any other story on it. I remember that NQ and ES share some of the same underlying stocks. Wake me up when we hit zero so I can put an order in for one. If anyone's trading crude oil, your inventories are coming up in about 12 minutes. We are just sitting here, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching candles form away. I'll be happy to know Sumi's switching to Christmas songs. Has anyone stayed in this short like all the way down? So has your platform reversed that earlier castration? Hey, Greg, good to see you. Yes, waiting. All the way down now to 482. It's popped back up by about 15. You do love chaos and destruction, don't you, Hassan? This is a blue candle. We're going to take it if it holds. Eh, Possibly, John. We're going to take a long here. We're going to put our stop down here. And we're going to put our target all the way up here and see what it does. Holy crap. That'll be amazing. Don't think it's going to get there, but We'll play with it. That's a nice pop. Now, is it going to be a case of me being getting greedy and I should just take this little bit? Probably. And I'll be trading this somewhat differently if this account mattered. Still hesitating here. It's sandwiched between the 9 and the 20. Crude oil inventories in just a couple minutes. Back to my entry. Looks like it wants to fall again. Looks like Hassan might be right again. We just kind of sitting here trying to figure out where we want to go with our lives. All of a sudden, we've gotten kind of, yeah. That's another blue candle pop in there, getting above the 20. Big candle, 36 points. Look at that go. And we'll move our stop up behind that blue candle now. Less risk. Pulls back about half that candle. Isn't Ripsec one of the guys on Topstep TV? So for those of you who say you can't make money with micros, I'm in with 2 micros right now and I'm up $122. Everyone else got quiet. Y'all fall asleep on me? Thanks, USC. There's $200. Pull back there though. It's going to trail this behind each green candle now. So I've locked in 105. Struggling here around 571. I think it's going to pull back here and nail me. Got within 3 ticks of where I had my stop placed and pushed back up. It looks like it's still struggling here. Now we're out. So I'm gonna pull back about half the gains for there. That's all right. $103.40 win there. And rising right back up. So if I hadn't moved the stop, I'll still be in the trade. But this is another blue candle. I decided I want to take it. If it holds, let's get 20 seconds on it. We're long. Okay, we'll put our target at this absolute insane area. Again, I don't expect to get up there, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. Selecting my setup there, which is an engulfing candle with the trend. That's on. All right, Chris Berman. If I stop in the profit there, comes back and hits me, comes back and hits me. So we're about 15 minutes left. How's everyone sitting? Red, green, somewhere in between? Yeah, it's purple candle now, so it looks like it's going to stop me out there for just above break even. But let's see if it holds the 9. Nope, stopped out. And bounces after it stops me out. Long again off that blue candle. I doubt it, but we'll try. Put it back up there. Have a great day, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, look at this pop. I did not. Would have been nice, but this is kind of proving to me that I need to take these in-trend trades, which are my toughest for some reason. My brain doesn't like taking with trend trades, and I don't know why. So this has been helping me with that. So, yeah, this is the third trade I've taken within this same trend. If we look at the journal, what I did there. If we look at the journal over here, this is the first one right here. And the entry was, oops, hold on. The entry was 521. And we're now up to 611. So if I had held the entire way, I would be up 90 points. See, I'm trailing behind each green candle now. So now I've locked in 19 points. Struggling a bit here. Might not see the continuation. And it's still rising there, John. I see NQ of rising. I see profits on the way. Don't take a short today. It won't go your way. I see NQ on the rise. Yep, this might be the pullback that nails me. Yep, we're out. So another great trade there. I select the setup. Golfing with trend. So you can see the last three trades, 103, 14, and 106. And just for, thought, that was on 2 micros. So on 2 micros, I just made 200 and about 10, about $225. So that'll be, if I was one mini, that would have been over $1,000. Kind of hesitating here around a little above 600. Nice recovery. And looking like we're going to end with a green day. Not the band, they're not here. How's everyone else finishing up? Yep. Yep. Don't forget Friday, London. Me and RJ. No, we're not going to London, but we're trading London. Not like the whole city. They don't allow us to do that. But the London session, 2:30 to 11:30 Eastern time. I'll cash that up out to your USC so you can be break even on the day. Pulls back. Belch. Apologize. Yeah, I can get my mobility issues better and all that. I mean, I don't think I told you guys this. I turned down a free trip to Dubai. Tick Trader was willing to fly me to Dubai early next year. Crypticon, I haven't heard anything. Uh, I'm running out of time, Platt, but basically, Tick Trader does an event each year, a live trading event in Dubai, and they invite a couple influencers, and I got the invite during when I did the interview. I said that maybe the following year. I need to get my weight down, and I need to get my mobility better. My weight is my one demon now. Also, the fact that I have never been on an airplane, and I'm not sure the first time I'm on an airplane, I want it to be a extremely long trip, like from Chicago to Dubai. And I've never been out of the country. We have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Another great day of trading action. We'll see what we're trading tomorrow. Probably do Fadias tomorrow, Fadias Thursdays, and we'll go from there. Put everyone. Okay. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you then. Bye.